as a teacher, when you teach and the children don't get it, you teach again. Look for a way and teach again. If some children are not interested, you make your lesson more interesting rather than assuming they are easily distracted and have poor concentration. If they make the same mistake over and over again, perhaps new teaching strategies are needed rather than thinking they have a learning disability. Change your strategy. Even the disabled children can be educated. Um, Children are born with innate ability. Yes, they are. They are born with innate ability. So our duty as a teacher, as early childhood teachers, is to pull those potentials out, lead those uh, unique potentials out, respect those potentials, nurture those potentials. It's important. Children are brain wired. Yes, they are. Their brains are not empty slates or tabula rasa. There is something in them. Yes, there is something in them. There is a psychic embryo in them. They have an inner teacher that directs them. So we have to recognize the inner teacher and nurture them. When you understand the nature of children, their true nature, it will help you uh, know that children learn in variety of ways and at different pace. You don't need to compare children with each other. No, comparison is bad. You don't need to compare them. Um, all you have to do is to help them develop. Children love to learn naturally, so uh, we have to instill long lasting love for learning. Yes, it's our duty to instill long lasting love for learning and activate their natural desire to learn. Another thing is observation is important in early childhood. Observation is one of the things that helps us to know uh, what actually interests them, what they need to develop, their area of strength and weakness, and it will help us to know how to teach them and how to develop our lesson. Understanding their true nature will make our teaching effective. Yes, it's important to understand the true nature of children. When you understand their true nature, your lesson will sound interesting. Yes, it's important.